Bulgarian Mish Mash, a dish so simple they didn't even bother giving it a proper name. In the West, this would be like calling something bish bosh or potato potato.
Oh dear.
What is it?
I've spontaneously combusted.
Oh, I am sorry.
Oh, it's quite all right. I've grown tired of living.
Ah, very good then. For the mess.
Yes, indeed.
This cozy cousin of shakshuka isn't just for breakfast, it's hearty enough to count as a proper meal. So let's join my grandma as she shows you how to make it the way we do at home. Now, normally the first step would be to roast, peel and de-seed your peppers, but we already had some roasted on hand and grandma was in no mood to roast anything that day. So, we're starting ahead. She begins with her signature mid-air cutting technique. Once the peppers are chopped, she tosses them in a food processor and blitzes them into a rough puree. The tomatoes get the same treatment, and that's the base done. Now, it's cheese smashing time, arguably the most satisfying part of the process. Just take your white cheese and crush it by hand like it's your ex's heart. And no, I'm not bitter about the custody hearing. Why do you ask? Quick side note, most fat outside the Balkans taste like disappointment. If you're using it, add a pinch of salt later to bring some life back into the dish. Moving on. Grandma cracks 4 out of the 5 eggs into a small plate. For reasons only she understands. There just wasn't room for the 5th one apparently. Look, I try not to question her methods too much, but in this case, don't do this. Just crack your eggs later when it's actually time to add them. I'll tell you when. Promise. Next, she heats up a generous amount of oil in a pan over medium heat.
What the hell?
I strongly recommend just using 2 tablespoons though. She sautés the pepper puree for about 5 minutes to cook off some of the moisture. Once that reduces, she adds the tomatoes, brings it all to a simmer, and lets it bubble away for another 5 minutes. Next goes the cheese, followed by the eggs from the plate. And finally, the 5th egg gets cracked directly into the pan. This is your cue to add your eggs, all at once. You're welcome. Grandma lets the eggs set for about 2 minutes, then gently flips them in the pan, cooks for another minute and turns off the heat. She serves it hot, usually with a side of toast. And there you have it. Mish Mash, not fancy, not fussy, but comforting, quick, and stupidly tasty. This recipe gets a
Bravo!
out of 10. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see my grandma cook next. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in a bit.